Okay, for everybody at home, I'm here at the, where am I at? I'm at CloudCanyon. It's absolutely beautiful. If you can look behind me, you see a beautiful, beautiful waterfall. And I've gone behind it, I've gone in front of it. I think I've done everything but going actually inside the waterfall. I mean, in it. I went behind it. I don't know if you can call that in it. And wow, I mean, life doesn't get more beautiful than this. You are able to walk around and see things that are alive and things that are beautiful. I mean, you can see for yourself how beautiful it is. Look at that. I mean, just take a look at the beauty of that waterfall and the beauty of these cliffs. I mean, you gotta feel alive when you're here. If you don't feel alive, just being part of that, then what could possibly make you feel alive? I feel very alive. I feel very lucky. There's some people over there on the other side of the stream or river, and they're probably wondering how the heck I got over here. And I'm not going to tell them. It's absolutely beautiful, as you can see. Cliffs, the moss on them, they're wet, they're slippery, they're steep. It's very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. If you haven't been to Cloud Canyon, I recommend you come out here. It's in northwest Georgia. Very beautiful. This is a small waterfall, and I'm going to walk over to the big waterfall in a minute. Very beautiful. Very powerful. I hope you enjoyed that.